Hello everybody, my name is Bladicus and today I'm going to be doing a food review on... Let me get it. Oh god. On these things. They're the Buttermilk crispy chicken whatever's at McDonald's. Yeah, I got a bunch of them in here. There's 6 of them to be exact. So first I'm gonna try it for my very... Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm done. So I'm gonna try this for my first time without the sauce. These are really good. You like them, Matt?
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Crunchy.
Definitely.
A lot of flavor.
Where's the sauce at? I think it's in the bag. Oh yeah. How come we got like 3 packages of this signature sauce?
I don't know. We asked for mac sauce, the sriracha mac sauce, but there was no mac sauce in the store, so they just gave us 3 signature sauces instead.
Yeah.
To make up for it, apparently.
Yeah.
I wanted to try it because so far I've heard that the mac sauce isn't really that good, but I wanted to see for myself.
So I'm gonna try it with the signature sauce. Oh.
Is that good? Let me try some. Get a good portion there.
It is so good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You guys try some. Yum, yum, yum. Eat 'em up. Oops, I spilled.
Give me some more of that. I'm gonna get a whole bunch.
Oh. Signature sauce is a little bit spicy.
A little bit. Kind of
Not
tangy.
very bad at all though.
A little bit of tanginess to it. And sweetness. It's kind of a balanced sauce.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I think I would give this either like... With the signature sauce, it's a 9.5, but it alone, it's like, I think, I would say 7.3 because... Not really
So the
best,
sauce-
but...
The sauce really adds to it, huh?
Uh-huh.
I would give the chicken an 8. When it's by itself, but with the sauce. 8.5.
Should I fry with the signature sauce?
I like that sauce.
Me too. It says I can record for 26 minutes there. You guys can't see.
Are you guys ready for 26 minutes of us eating food,
No. They aren't.
reviewing, and eating French fries? There's a bunch of people just storming the store because they want buttermilk chicken tenders. Oh,
I gotta
start to
put this
spit.
along. They're all out there. You see them, guys?
There's
A big line of people there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try the signature sauce. I don't know how new the sauce is, but
Me neither.
it's good.
And
This
I
is
know
the first
these are
time
new
I've had
too.
it. Those are new too, yeah. So are you going to do some more food reviews after this, Atticus?
Yeah, probably. You can call me Atticus, whatever.
I forgot the splat part.
In case you didn't know, that's my real name.
Okay.
Tell me if you like that name in the comments below.
Should we open another sauce?
They're all the same.
Yeah, but this one's just about empty.
Okay.
Everybody loves watching us eat.
I know. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. If you liked it, make sure to smash that like button. That would be greatly appreciated. I would also appreciate it if you subscribe and turn on notifications. and I'll see you in the next video. 1, 2, 3. Bye!
Bye!